That there is absolutely amazing, yo. That Snake River Farms, that Wagyu Denver steak, the flavor in there is just so rich in there. And cooking the way we did, we got a nice medium rare steak. I tell you, boys and girls, you can't get no better than that right there. Hey, I'm Jason Hardy with Elite Barbecue Smokers, and today I'm trying to make this Snake River Farms Wagyu Denver steak with a garlic and herb compound butter. I'll tell you something right now, boys and girls. This right here is one recipe you'll want to do over and over and over. So let's get to prepping so we can get to cooking. Come on. So what we got today is this Denver steak. This here comes from Snake River Farms. It's a Wagyu Denver steak. If you haven't ever checked it out, you need to check out Denver steaks, but they're truly up top. And the Snake River Farm is even better. Check them out, links down below. Today we're using Cosmos SPG. We can get a good medium light coat on all sides of it. Now we're cooking this down on the Black Stone Griddle. That's right, we're doing a Wagyu Denver steak on a Black Stone Griddle. I promise you though, you try it out, you'll love it. And what we use today is this bacon up grease. It gives a good flavor into it. Now we're gonna have our Blackstone set up for a hot side and a medium heat side. And what we're gonna do is target temperatures of 131 degrees. However, if I feel like my steak's cooking too fast or I'm not getting the char I'm looking for, I can move it to the other side and kind of slow it down a little bit. That's what we're gonna do with 2 zones. But again, our target temperature is 131 degrees. All that being stated, let's get cooking. Come on. That's good, doesn't it? Come on. Are you looking for something that adds some extra flavor for your roasted vegetables and your grilled meat? If you are, I got something to share with you today. This garlic and herb compound butter will take it to a whole nother level. I promise you, you try this one time, you'll keep trying it over and over and over. Pretty simple to make. I got 1 stick of room temperature Kerrygold salted butter. I'm gonna add to that 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. And then I'm gonna add 4 cloves of minced garlic. After that, we'll put 2 teaspoons of lemon zest to it, and then 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped parsley, and now finally, 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped rosemary. We'll put all that together and mix it together very well. Then I'm gonna take this saran wrap, put it in here, and make a log about 1 1/4 inch diameter. Take it and roll it in just like this. Get it nice and uniform. Now I'll put it in the refrigerator and let this get cold for about an hour. That way I can slice up medallions for later on. The center part of my Blackstone is the hottest. Right as I said, around 450 is what I'm looking for. I'm gonna put some oil on it, but I'll be able to move it from side to side as I need to. Now we'll do a lot of flipping. This will be a pretty fast cook. Get it? Hear that sizzle? All right, we're right at a minute. I'm gonna take it. I got a hot side over here we hadn't cooled down. I'm gonna pick it up and just go over with it. See the color it's got? Looking good, ain't it? Now I'm gonna put it here to the side where it's cooled down, where the warmer, cooler side is. Right here it's running right at 135, dropping down, 131, where we want it to be at right now. So I'm gonna cut the burners off. Everything's off. So now I'm gonna take my butter, a couple of these medallions put on there. Pour this off, let this rest, taste it up, carry it inside, see it inside. Look at that. Why don't you look at compound butter? That garlic and herb compound butter, man, is it's picture perfect on top of this thing. Just slice it up. We get 3/8 inch slices here. Good crust to it. Look at that. Look at that right there. That's a perfectly medium rare steak, y'all. Thank God have mercy. It looks good, don't it? All right, let's see what it tastes like. Why don't you look at this right here? Isn't that perfect right there? Hey, it looks good, don't it? Look at that right there. Notice right here the crust on the outside of it. See, it's got a little bit of a tint dark to the outside, but the center is nice and pink. That looks good. Let's taste it up. That there is absolutely amazing, yo. That Snake River Farms, that Wagyu Denver steak, the flavor in there is just so rich in there. And cooking the way we did, we got a nice medium rare steak. I tell you, boys and girls, you can't get no better than that right there. That's how you do it, Elite Barbecue Smoker style. Hey, if you like this video, do us a favor, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, if you want to check out another video, right up here on the left-hand side, here's a smoked halibut we've done. Again, it's a really good recipe and you'll love it. All that being stated, we're gonna say the blessing, we're gonna go eat. First, got Miss Dolly try it. Dolly, you ready? Come on. Come on. Dolly liked it. If Dolly liked it, I know you would too. I'll say the blessing. Lord, bless food by receipt. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. Appreciate y'all watching. See you next time.